So there is an important lesson in some recent price movement in Shiba Inu. And I made this video because I've been thinking about making this video for a couple of days. And I made this video specifically because Shiba Inu is what I call a gateway crypto. And meaning we got a lot of new investors that come into crypto in general. They come in via Shiba Inu, which is awesome. It's fantastic. It's really, really cool. Okay, so here's the lesson in a minute. Thanks for your support. Hit that subscribe button below. Please drop a like. Tell the algorithm that we are here. Obviously, I'm just out walking, and I'm like, hey, I got to make this video. So here we are. Okay, so what's the lesson? The lesson is this, is that from January until now, SHIB is up over 50% on the year, basically 2 months. And the lesson specifically for Shiba Inu, but again, this can be applied to any coin, any token that you own, right? And remember what I said, we have a lot of new investors that come into crypto in general and or just new to investing, to begin with. I think that the vast majority of people, specifically in Shiba Inu and in other community coins and tokens, they expect to come in and then they join on a Monday, and by Wednesday they've made 100x or 50x or 20x or 5,000x, whatever the number is, right? And there's the lesson, okay? The vast majority of the time, if you have that mentality and you have that view and that attitude and that expectation, you are going to lose. You are going to not succeed, okay? Because you have a lot of emotion tied up in that. You're literally thinking of it as a lottery scenario. I'm going to hit a lottery ticket. And it just simply doesn't work like that. And if you are putting money on those types of coins and tokens, not really Shiba Inu in this context, but maybe a brand new coin or token that just came out in the last, week or so, the vast majority of the time you're going to lose on those. And I've talked about those in previous videos. But the expectation and the opportunity to learn is what's important. And what I really mean by it is this. If you really weren't paying attention and you're just looking at SHIB as an example, it moves up 1 or 2 or 3%, maybe move one down one. But the aggregate in the first 2 months of this year is 50+%. Actually, it's about 55%. That's an amazing return on investment, but it took 2 months to get there. Okay. It took 2 months to achieve that number, right? And that's the lesson. That's the point I'm trying to make to you, is that you need to have the right expectation, you need to have the right plan, and you need to be reasonable in that expectation. I mean, guys, in the stock market, and if you're getting a 7 to 10% annualized yield return on your or whatever it is investment, you're killing it. I mean, if somebody's, if you go to like a money manager or something like that, and you say, I want to, let you manage my money, the expectation is 8 or 9%. If you can get 8 or 9% on a 1 year return on your investment in, say, a mutual fund or an ETF fund, that's great. Seriously. Think about that. I mean, 50%, 55% SHIB's up from year to date, 2023. It's about the expectation, and it's about knowing kind of where you're trying to achieve, what your goals are, and just being smart. I make these videos for you guys because I want you guys to maybe basically benefit a little bit from the gray hair, right? From the 3 years plus that I've been investing in stocks and crypto now and all those kind of things. Hopefully you get some value out of them. Thank you for your support of myself, my channel, my videos. I greatly appreciate you. Go make some money. Give it some thought. I'll see you.